a bit more rock removed. If you dare take out your battery box, this might be what's behind it. This goes in under the front wing there. That piece next to the pedals. So, got that out, and here's a replacement part for it. So I shall spot weld that onto there. I've got an extra little overhang, which will be a new join, and then this little bit here I shall fold up to catch the edge of the floor. And before I do that, I'll put some captives on, try and get those to line up with those. There we are, painted where I can, ready to go on, and I've seam sealed that edge and that edge. So let's see if we can get that on. So that's in there, still got to be fully welded, but that's that. And now I'm working on this section here. This is the old piece. It went that way up. And here we've got a fairly heavy piece of angle. I'm calling that 2mm. And then we've got this bit of bodywork, which is 1mm. And I think this angle section here is really a locator to find the end of this panel where it tucks under. So it actually gets good as soon as you leave this angle. It gets to decent metal. So what I've done is I've made this section higher, and I'm going to miss out this little fold here because that doesn't really do anything. Here it is. And I didn't have a piece of 2mm steel long enough, so I put a join in it there, which is quite helpful. But it's a bit tricky to get around that corner. And so to find this hole here, I've got a piece of tape which runs straight through the centre of the hole, so I'll put the plate on, and then I can measure from that mark to the centre of the hole and line up that line and that line, and I should be pretty much on that hole. Let's try. And that's bang on that hole. That hole should be oval, the oval going that way. But I've just put one hole dead centre and it lines up nice. So I can always make it oval when I refit it in case I need a bit of adjustment. The black line there, I put that on before I took out the old panel, just as a guide to keep things horizontal, and that lines up pretty good. And I put a little kink in that just to get around that new panel. I'll show you how I did that. That was 2mm, I just put that kink in. This is 1mm. That just helps you out, get things just round the bend a little bit. I lost one of the mounting points for the dimmer switch. So I've salvaged one here, and I'll try and screw that on and put a couple of tacks on it. Not easy on your own though. And that's all in as I'm going to do it for now. Just just got to sort out a little repair for that around the brake pedal. And that would be so easy to make that panel new as one complete bit, but if I did that on every bit of the car, there'd be nothing left, it would all be new. And cutting that out and everything staying where it is and then getting it all back the same shape, be mighty tricky, that. So I think that's a good strong repair.